SDSM&T, Mineral Industries Building, HVAC Construction, Precision Mechanical.
This facility comprises of over 64,000 square feet of tempered space, provided Precision Mechanical with many opportunities as well as challenges. The building's spaces included offices, classrooms, restrooms, common areas, and multiple science laboratories. The heartbeat of the HVAC systems involved the incorporation of two fully custom-built roof-mounted air handlers, one 37,500 CFM AHU for the general tempering of the space, and one 48,000 CFM 100% dedicated outside air unit. The laboratory areas included many adjustable sash-style fume exhaust hoods, over 30 point-of-use adjustable lab snorkels, as well as custom-built stainless steel fume capture hoods. All these required a robust exhaust system. The exhaust system for the facility utilized high-pressure, up-blast lab exhaust fans. 3 of these fans, at 24,000 CFM each, were installed on the roof. At any given time, only 2 fans are energized, with the remaining fan serving as redundancy. These fans are connected to a large custom-built roof-mounted energy recovery coil located in a doghouse. All the building's exhaust air is drawn through this coil and is connected to a dedicated outside air unit via a hydronic runaround loop. This loop recovers a significant amount of the lab exhaust airstream energy and then is pumped via the loop to the preheat coil of the outside air unit. The non-tempered outside air passes through this preheat coil and picks up this recovered energy into the airstream. The incorporation of this will save the owner thousands of dollars over the time of the operating costs of this new facility. Precision Mechanical installed over 75,000 pounds of metal ductwork for this building, constructed of various types of materials including galvanized, PVC-coated, and stainless steel duct, depending on what types of systems it served. In addition, 166 supply and exhaust VAVs, 21 fast-acting lab exhaust valves, 13 fan coil units, 15 duct reheat coils, 5 ductless mini-split systems, 6,400 CFM dust collector, and nearly 400 register grills and diffusers were installed on this project. Over 26,000 man-hours were applied to this job by Precision Mechanical's team of sheet metal workers, service technicians, administrative, and project managers to complete this project on time. We would not have been able to complete this project without our team of subcontractors and suppliers, including Johnson Controls, Climate Systems, Insulation Enterprises, and TAB. Overall, the project is a shining star on the campus of SDSM&T, and Precision Mechanical is proud to be part of this project.
Master Craftsman, Project Manager, S. Allen Freeland. Superintendent, Steve Van Dam. Foreman, Austin Youngblood. Craftsman, Daniel Miller, Keenan McKnight, Jorge Ucan Yupit, John Nygaard, Johnny Reede, and Wesley Jobgen. Help us congratulate the craftsmen from Precision Mechanical.